import into mapping program AutoCAD. Using commands we can create detailed map. Using command line we can draw a line like this. We can draw a lot of lines which in the end result looks like map. AutoCAD is used for all kinds of different kinds of maps: topographic, cadastral and others. Maps made with AutoCAD are widely used for numbers of reasons. They are reliable and can be easily modified if something does not go according to plan. AutoCAD maps are mostly used to show terrain difference between places, how different is height and distances from one point to another. AutoCAD is essentially for everyone single geodesist who have to make map.